In this video, we're going to explore how to navigate the Report Studio interface so you can create and modify a Report Studio template and export a report. To begin, we're going to navigate to Reports in the left navigation and then Report Studio. On the Report Studio page, you will see any reports that have been created. Let's set up a new report and explore the interface. To do so, we'll click on the plus sign at the top of the page. Then we'll need to choose a report type. In this video, I'm going to select a report template so we can see the interface. The interface will be the same across all report types, so when you're using a design template or working in freehand mode, you'll see the same Report Studio interface and tools. Okay, it's time to pick a template. First, you'll see any custom templates that have been created, or you can click the tab to view predefined templates. There are a number of predefined options, and since these are templates, you can modify them. Starting with a predefined template can really shorten the time needed to build a report. And I'm going to choose the predefined social media report template so we can see Report Studio. This is the Report Studio interface. Let's discuss what's here from top to bottom. Clicking at the very top on the template title will give us the report settings. This is where I can adjust the template title and assign it to a business unit, client group, or client if applicable. Next, there are a number of icons at the top. This is where you can insert new elements to the report, use some design tools like turning on the grid for precise alignment or outlines for the elements on the page. You can adjust the orientation, find some keyboard shortcuts for Report Studio, and at the far right, you can save the template and export the report. In another lesson, we'll go over the insert options so you can understand how to add new elements and data to your report. But for now, let's continue with what else is here. On the left are all of the report pages, which we can move around and rename, and there's a tab for the elements on the page. In the Elements tab, we can see what's on this cover page. So there's a title, company logo, and more. This list can be reorganized, and you can click to hide an element in the report. Next is the report page itself. When you click an element, you can make changes right on the page. So I could click here to type in changes to the text, change the logo, page background, and more. This brings us to the right side of controls. There are tabs for adjusting the styles, settings, and data. Keep in mind that this adjusts based on what element I have selected. Since I have selected the Social Media Report text box, there are choices to make in the Styles tab about the font, size, color, and paragraph style. The other tabs give you control over the design settings for the selected element, and the Data tab will let you choose a date range and a particular client or business unit for the report. Let's go back to the main Report Studio page and discuss how to modify existing templates and export a report. When you hover over an existing report, as I've done here, there will be a few more details. At the top, it shows what data sources and channels are used in the report. The other new icons that are added when you hover over a report are the icons to export the report, copy the template, or remove the template from Report Studio with the red trash icon. Keep in mind that you will only see the option to delete templates that you created. That is, the trash icon will not appear on templates that you didn't create. Let's take a look at the exporting options together. I'll click on the Export button so we can see those. Here we can select a date range for the report, including a comparison to the prior time frame. Then there are some options for the data. You can use sample data to populate the report and see how it will look, or you can choose a specific client, client group, or business unit for the report. Lastly, you'll choose to export either as a PDF or PPT, depending on how you want to use the export. Now that you've learned how to navigate, we'd encourage you to try using a template and creating a report in Report Studio. If you have an idea for a freehand report or a copy of a report that you want to create, use the next exercise to guide you through the planning in Report Studio.